Whenever you begin a new writing project, it's always a good idea to create an outline. To use Outline in Word, click on the View tab in the ribbon at the top of your screen. Then click on Outline in Document Views. Now you're in the Outlining tab with the outline tools available. I'm going to begin typing the main topic for a document that I'm working about using Word in technical writing. I have 4 main topics that I want to write about in this document: formatting, page layout, document sharing, and dynamic content. Those are my 4 big topics, and so they're designated as level 1. But under formatting, I have several subtopics that I want to talk about: styles, auto formatting, and manual formatting. Each of my main topics will eventually have some subtopics, but for now I'm just looking at the formatting. So right now they look like they're level 1 topics. So in fact I have to demote them by clicking on the green demote arrow to the right. By doing that, it shifts the heading to the right and creates a level 2 heading. I can also choose level 2 from the drop-down list. Now styles, I'm going to have that further divided into paragraph styles and character styles. So these are going to be subtopics. So I have to demote those even further to level 3. So now I have a main topic, subtopic, and subtopic. Now, notice in the drop-down list you can actually have up to 9 different levels in your outline, as well as body text. And in a long, complex document, you might actually use many of those different levels. On the left-hand side, we have the promote arrow, which is the opposite of the demote arrow. And if I decide, for example, that styles really should be a level 1 topic, I can just click on that arrow and bring it to level 1. Or if I decide that paragraph styles way over here in level 3 should be level 1, I can double click and bring it over to level 1. Or I can bring it to level 2. Depends what I decide I want to do. So we can promote or demote our topics and change our heading levels. Note also these pluses and minuses in the gray circles. The pluses are there because now we have headings underneath this, other headings underneath this formatting level, this main level, and we have other levels underneath styles. Sometimes we want to see all that, and sometimes we don't. If we double click on the gray circle, it collapses the outline. Or we can double click and expand the outline. And we can see just some of our headings or all of our headings. It depends how much detail you want to see in your outline. Another important and very valuable tool in outlining is that you can move your headings and all the content under that heading very easily by using the up and down arrow keys. Say I decide that page layout really should be at the beginning of my document, so I can move it right up to the top. Or I decide that document sharing should be at the bottom. I can move it to the bottom just by using these move up and down arrows. And that moves everything under that topic up and down in my main document. So if I'm in page layout and I go back to the print layout view, I see that page layout is now at the top of the page, and everything that would have been written under page layout would be with page layout. So that's a great way of rearranging your document. So that's a little bit about outline. I hope you learned something. Thanks.